Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Site. Today I will tell you that how to set widgetsmith in iPhone. First, go to the App Store. Then search for widgetsmith and download it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the waste.
Open the app. Then are three widget size to choose from smaller to large. Choose your desired size and customize it. Choose your style, font, tint color and background color.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
To add the widget, tap and hold on an empty area of home screen and enter the home screen. Tap the plus button top left corner of the screen. Then select the widget from the list of available widgets and add to your home screen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please support us by like, click, share and subscribe. If you any queries regarding this video, please comment down.